In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Google Ads. Whether you're a new user trying to navigate the platform for the first time or a seasoned marketer looking to switch languages to better manage international campaigns, this guide is crafted to make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where the magic starts. You'll be greeted by the Overview page, which is the dashboard for all your Google Ads activities. If you're not automatically directed there, no worries. Simply search for Google Ads in your browser and log in with your account details to reach this page. Once you're on the Overview page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The next step involves navigating to a specific section, so knowing where things are can be pretty handy. Ready for the next step? Great. Look for the admin option. It's not directly in your line of sight, so you may need to hover your mouse around the toolbar to spot it. Once you find admin, the real action begins. Hovering over this option should reveal a drop-down menu or take you to another set of options depending on your current Google Ads configuration. Now click on Preferences. This is where Google Ads allows you to tweak various settings to suit your needs, including language and other personal preferences. The Preferences section is crucial for customizing your Google Ads experience, so it's a good idea to become familiar with its offerings. As you're in the Preferences area, look for the Display Language and Number Format section. This might require some scrolling, so don't hesitate to explore the page until you find the right section. This is where you can adjust the language settings for your Google Ads account, along with how numbers are displayed based on regional formats. Upon finding the Display Language and Number Format section, you'll see it set to a default language, likely English, US, if you haven't changed it before. Clicking on this option will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing a plethora of languages. From here you can select the language that you're most comfortable with or that aligns with your target market's preferences. Whether it's Spanish, French, German, or any other language, Google Ads has got you covered. After clicking on your preferred language, your job here is almost done. The changes you've made to the display language will apply to the Google Ads interface, allowing you to navigate, create, and manage campaigns in the language of your choice. This is especially helpful if you're managing accounts across different regions, or if you simply prefer to use the platform in a language other than English. Here are a few additional tips to ensure a smooth transition. Remember, changing the language setting will only affect the interface of Google Ads. It won't change the language of the ads you create. You'll need to craft your ad content in your desired language separately. If you're working in a team, be mindful that changing the language can affect other users managing the same account. It's a good practice to inform your team before making such changes. Lastly, while Google Ads supports a wide range of languages, there may be a few instances where not every part of the platform is perfectly translated. Keep an eye out for any such anomalies and report them if necessary. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing the language settings in your Google Ads account. Whether you're looking to tailor your experience for ease of use or aiming to manage international campaigns more effectively, customizing the display language is a simple yet powerful adjustment. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to replay this video if you need to go over any steps again or reach out for further assistance. Happy advertising, and until next time, keep optimizing your Google Ads experience to best suit your needs.